In today's video, we will be assembling this gaming PC. It cost around 40,000 to build and I purchased it from a local shop, but will also list their link in the description below. The processor is AMD Ryzen 5 8500G. It has a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz and a max boost clock speed of up to 5 GHz. The motherboard is from MSI. It supports Ryzen 7000, 8000 and 9000 series. And well, this is the thing which was little more expensive than I initially thought. This one is a Wi-Fi version, hence it comes with the antenna. The base is magnetic and it will attach to the metallic body of your cabinet. And here is the motherboard. There are 2 slots for RAM and 2 for the SSDs. On the back we can see a display port, an HDMI port, a flash BIOS button on the side, a USB-C type and 5 USB-A type ports. Then there's an Ethernet port, 2 ports for the antenna and 3 for the audios. For RAM, I have installed a Corsair Vengeance 16GB DDR5. Coming to the cabinet, this one is a budget-friendly CV100 from AMD Value, which is around 2,500 rupees. It comes with a top mesh, 3 fans and removable front and side glass panels. The buttons are provided on the top, leaving the front decluttered and clean. Now let's fix the motherboard, and since it was my first assembly, I had to screw and unscrew it a couple of times. The processor has a tiny slot at one end, hence you cannot put it the wrong way at all. Now, as the name suggests, we must install a graphics card as well to make it a real gaming PC. Here we have an RTX 2060, which is still considered a good mid-range graphics card. This goes onto the slot provided just like a RAM and later can be screwed from the back of the cabinet. There are 256GB SSD and I have a 1TB hard disk as well for further storage. So guys, that's all in today's video. I will put the components link in the description below in case you are wondering to assemble one for yourself.